Today is day 22 of the 30-day meditation challenge. Welcome back. I'm going to guide you through a meditation today, and I wanted to give you something new to try that we haven't tried yet. We're going to incorporate something physical today. So I don't want to spend too much time talking. Let me jump right in here to the description. I'm going to give you three options. The first option, which just try along with me right now. As we breathe and meditate and just try to relax and be, you can try tapping your fingers to your thumbs. So what I do is I'll tap my index fingers, then my middle finger, then my ring finger, then my pinky finger, and then I go back to my index finger, and I just gently tap my fingers rhythmically to my thumb. Maybe I'll match it up to my breathing or match it up to the music, something like that. And so there's one thing you can try. Just place your hands in your lap or on the table in front of you or someplace comfortable so that you can just kind of gently, rhythmically tap your fingers. Another thing to try would be to put your hands on your lap, on your legs, palms down flat, or on a table in front of you. And with one or both hands, you can try just gently tapping your fingers, tapping one finger, tapping just your index fingers, just rhythmically while you meditate. And the last idea would be to do something with your feet. So I have tried raising my heels and lowering them so my feet kind of go up on the balls of my feet, and I just gently lift my heels and press them back down, lift my heels, press them back down. Or you could do that also with your toes. Raise your toes, press them back down. And so again, this is just like a physical component that you're adding in to help to give you something to focus on and to help you stay anchored into the meditation. Let's give this a try. Sitting comfortably, you know the drill by now, and decide which one of those three options you're going to use. And I'd like you to start by taking a nice deep breath. The breath can carry us into the meditation. All right, friend, here we go. Eyes closed. I'm going to play a little soft music in the background for us. Begin tapping. Keep the tapping going through the entire meditation, or you can let it come and go. In a couple of minutes, you'll hear my voice again, and I'll bring us out of this meditation. In a moment, I will count to 3. And when I say 3, we'll open our eyes, feeling nice and relaxed. 1, bringing your awareness back to your surroundings. 2, preparing to open your eyes. 3, slowly open your eyes. Come on back. And stay here as long as you'd like. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for showing up here. And I will see you back here tomorrow.